This is your second kitchen. You have a fireplace with gas logs. You've got Corian countertops, Corian sink, stainless steel appliances. And how would you like to chop your food? This is where we cook our dinner. And you chop here and you're just looking at that incredible view. Do your dishes here too. There's your dishwasher. And then knock the chill off. Gas logs. And this really charming mantelpiece. And this is definitely the heart of the house. What a room. This is the second kitchen. And this beautiful, beautiful sunroom. And look at your view. And look how big it is. View all the way around. And then here's where you do your cooking. The morning kitchen. You can fry up some eggs, make some toast. And this is the room that I called the pool room, simply because it leads straight out to the pool, as I mentioned earlier. Indoor, outdoor carpet.